Get noticed in this 2001 Volvo S60. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.